Well, hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Sorry Mama had to work, so you got to put up with me and the GoPro. Going to take up the FlyFans L-39 64. See what kind of speed we can get. Kind of windy, but the wind is right out. Here's my windsock. Right down the runway, so that's good. Out of the east here. Get turned around here. I'll do my best to keep her in close by since I'm filming with a GoPro, but I make no promises. Don't need takeoff flaps, that's for sure. Gear up. Turn my gains up a little bit because it's a little windy. I'm running a 3300 6S. I'm going to cruise along at half throttle. Timer set for 4 minutes. Here, we'll take her up. Flip her. That's with the wind.
Gear down. Time remaining 3 minutes.
You know, I think I'm going to turn my gains, go to
Mid-rates.
mid-rates there. Not really sure what my rates are, so. Okay. Well, let's try it again. If you don't like it, go around. I'm going to land one of these days. Run a 3300 light carrier. Alright, let's see what kind of speed we got this time.
Prop secured.
Alright. Stop. Read. All right, not bad. 98 mile an hour for such a little plane, 246 feet, but 98 mile an hour, not bad at all. All right, we still got 1 minute and 41 seconds. Take her up again. Okay, we'll start again. All right.
Motor on.
All right. It's a good looking little plane.
Gear up.
Still full speed.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah, we'll try landing flaps this time. Maybe help slow her down a little bit.
Flaps up.
Ah, I don't need it in this wind anyways. There we go.
20 seconds.
Come on back here, little guy. All right.
Secured.
Let's see if we got her up over 100 miles this time. 100 mile an hour this time. Read. How good? 295 feet and 104 mile an hour. 104, not bad for a small 6S 64 millimeter. 104, not bad. I was hoping to get her over 100 mile an hour. To show you my setup, that is the GNS. Boy, it's windy. That's the GNSS Sky from Sky RC. You can get it at Motion RC. I'll put a link in the description of the video. Of course, this is the FlyFans L-39 that you get at Banana Hobby. Thank you, Banana Hobby. And this is a 3300 6S with a 40C Superior battery. I'm running an AR631 antenna or receiver in there. And the rates that I just switched to, my mid rates, let me look at my mid rates real quick. 80% with 30% expo. Make sure that's on everything. That's on elevator and aileron with 100%, 30% expo on my rudder. My flap settings, which I really didn't need flaps at all. So I'm not really going to tell you much good, but my flap settings, just so you know, are 100% up. It's a spectrum now. 50% positive with a 5% down. Elevator mix for takeoff, and then 0% positive with a 15% down elevator mix, 2-second deployment on spectrum. Well, folks, there you go. That is the L-39 from FlyFans, brought to you through Banana Hobby. That's where you can get it in the United States that I know of. That's where I got it. $199. She's got lights, she's got retracts, she's got flaps, and she got a lot of attitude. And they come in 3 different liveries. This is the black diamond. They also have the, I think it's the Baltic Bees, which is a purple and yellow kind of striped looking thing, which is actually really, stands out really good. And then the Russian camo, which is the orange and the tan and the yellow camouflage. I like this. This is one of the few Arctic camo ones that I can really see real well. Very distinct against the sky. And like I say, suddenly it got windy as soon as I pulled up. So, but that's the way it goes. Hey, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless each and every one of my wonderful tubinators. That's my term of affection for my viewers. And y'all have a good one. Bye-bye. And don't forget, save family and friends, and then jets. Bye-bye. Real quick on the L-39 from FlyFans, I forgot to add how much I had left in the battery, and I always like to do that, and I forgot to do that. So let's check that out real quick. So I don't want to leave that out. So we flew for a solid 4 minutes. Well, 3 minutes and 54 seconds, so almost 4 minutes. And I had 46%. So, and I had her wide open most of the time. So on a 3300, that's a little puffy. That's an older battery. You could get 5 minutes with mixed flying. A good 4.5 if you hit it hard. So, yeah, 4 to 5 minutes on a 3300, and I had it. There's the middle section there where the strap is. I had it set back just a little bit back there, back in this area here. So, all right, y'all have a good one. That was just a little quick add to the video. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.